Woohoo! Unboxing my Brompton, which is a gift from my company. So I'm so super blessed to want this a gift. So let's open up. Ooh, it looks so sexy, guys. This is my first foldable bike, guys. Like, I've always dreamed of having one, but never had the chance, and I finally am so super blessed. This must be inspected by a qualified. Okay, I don't know who did that. Hopefully they did. Made in London. Oh my god, just look at the green baby. Hello. Wow. Okay, looks like it's oops, I dropped something there. Oops. Oh, there's a lot of things happening. I definitely need to watch the video on how to set this up. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh no, is that like some scratches there? Hope it's okay. It's shipped all the way from the US. Wow, 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 look at that. So standing here, it's about knee height, I would say. Oops. Oh, this must be the protection stuff, which I'll have to figure that out later. Gotta make sure I register my Brompton so I get the warranty as well. So I don't have the tool that came with the bike, so I have to get my own. Luckily I set up my chair and I have this, so I'm just gonna see if this fits. Completely newbie on this, but looks like the thing that I just released is to help to shift this and that, so I guess we really need that. Okay, so the first step I saw is to attach this hinge clamp right here. Screw this in. You're supposed to stand on the left side, which I think is like that. First step is to unfold this. Ooh, look at that. Okay, next step of unfolding the Brompton is the seat, which, can you pull this out? Whoa, gotta use two hands for this. Look, that's high. Okay, I see it now. There's this thing where I can pull it out, and then whoa. Okay, making sure that this thing fits the both, and then I screw it up. Okay, next step I have to lift the front thing up from this place, so I gotta do it with two hands. Ooh, look at that. Now I gotta tighten this part. I'm done, so now I gotta swing this out. Gotta use two hands again. Ooh, it's so sexy. Oh my gosh, it looks kind of long and so, ooh, look at that. Okay guys, so the only way to actually like make this stand is to fold the bike this way. So there's like no kickstand with like your normal bike and stuff. So, wow. Okay, I'm loving how it fits below here. I need to put it in my room for now because I haven't used it yet. But so far, wow, I'm gonna test drive in the next few days and see how riding a Brompton would be. Quite smooth so far, very good. I'm at the park. I've always seen this and a lot of cyclists, but I've never had a chance to go check it out. So on my bike today, I want to check it out. Going uphill-ish. Alright, so far everything is great. It's just this part is pain, so I think I just need to figure out like a better comfort thing, maybe a cover at the Decathlon that makes it softer. Oh no, I just realized this thing looks a bit like out of place, and it looks like this part has been dented. I don't know if it's because of the shipping. Okay guys, it's like my third time riding the bike and I've upgraded a lot of things, as you can see. So I'm going to show you some of my setup. So I actually did not know that the bike comes with a bell already. So I almost wanted to buy a bell, but I didn't. So the bell is right here and it's actually pretty loud. when I cycle this like for an hour today in the hot sun, it starts becoming like uncomfortable, so I probably wear like my bicycle gloves next time, or maybe have like a guard on this. I got this bag at about $11 from Decathlon. It's actually facing you when you're riding the bike, because when you fold this down, it's gonna not block when you want to fold it down, so it's best if it's in front here. So it's pretty good. I can put a bottle of water, I can put my headphones, also this that I bought from Decathlon in case I need it, if I need to lock it. So this is about, I think, $11 if I'm not mistaken. Pretty good space. I put a lot of things right here. And also I got this at, I think, about $20 or $30 from Decathlon as well. Literally everything I got was from Decathlon. I got this soft, it's an M size for this bike that I got. It looks a bit small, but it's quite comfortable. It fits, and I tilted it downwards a little bit, so it's much comfortable today. I've got this one. Is the light super duper bright. This was like, I think, $30 or $28. I got this one on the back, so I put it at the light there. So it's super bright, honestly. It's like super bright. I really loved it. The bike comes with the pump as well, with the bell, which I almost wanted to buy, which thankfully I did not. You'll see a couple more, you know, upgrades as I go along, and I see whatever cool. I'm getting a protective like film. It's only like $1, so I just want to see how it works and not spend too much money on this thing. But thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you next vlog.